Hello, my name is Martijn and I am a lecturer at the Department of Advanced Computing Sciences, where I am a coordinator for mathematical courses such as linear algebra, calculus, and numerical mathematics. I have a background in mathematical engineering and I have a PhD in signal processing. The goal of this project is to develop new assessment methods for calculus, which is one of the core disciplines in engineering and data science programs. Now, why should we do that? Well, calculus is still one of the most challenging courses for first-year students in these programs. And I believe that one of the reasons is that calculus is still mostly taught and assessed using traditional methods, neglecting the fundamental principles of problem-based learning. In this project, I will try to tackle that issue by creating 3 new assessment formats: a student-generated exam question, an integration competition, and an application of calculus tools in their parallel course.